Welcome back everyone. In this video I want to show you the trending effect called blank canvas in TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a blank canvas where you can record how quick you can make a masterpiece. It can be 15 seconds, 60 seconds or in 3 minutes. So let me show you how to get this effect and how to use it. So open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover. Search for blank canvas. It should appear under effect and look like this. Tap on it and check out how other people have used this effect. When you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now on this screen you'll see a blank canvas. Go ahead and press the record button to start recording your painting on the canvas. To draw a single line, use your single finger and drag it around. If you created a shape and you want to fill in the shape with color, use your 2 fingers to fill in the color. To change the color, use the color slider at the top to choose your color. And there you go, that is how to use the blank canvas effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.